Welcome back. Leadership is the backbone of our industry, and many folks these days are investing in leadership enhancement opportunities. Here in the studio to talk about some leadership initiatives is Dr. Rick Sibbel, Technical Services Director for Merck Animal Health. Well, Dr. Sibbel, tell folks a little bit about some of the leadership initiatives you all at Merck are investing in.
I'd be happy to, Kevin. One of the things that we've been doing quite a lot of recently is we've been looking at all the ways that we in agriculture are managing environmental issues. We're looking at those things that bring more beef using less water. We're looking at ways to manage forages in a way that helps beef grow faster. And at the end of the day, we're spending lots of money with key opinion leaders having communications, telling the story of how agriculture over the last 30 years has really managed the environment better than we've all sort of reasonably appreciated. So having said that, we have a communications team that works daily, bringing that messages not only to the producers, but to the consumers that buy that product that we do so well with.
You know, a lot of folks are well aware of the strong portfolio products that you all have at Merck, but tell us a little bit about some of the things other than products you're doing to help the industry be successful.
Sure, we'd be happy to do that as well. We have a program called Beef 706. We use a couple of different universities' facilities, and we look at that beef carcass. That beef carcass teaches us many things. We learn how to cut the right size pieces or portions for the consumer. We learn when products are used, what the carcass sort of results in. We pay a lot of attention to how that presentation is at the retail trade, and we even get behind the counter with the butcher and spend some time with the butcher trying to help them understand the things that we do so they have the right answers to those customers' questions.
Merck also invests in some legislative activities both at the state as well as the federal level. Tell us more about that.
Legislative activities, both nationally and regionally, are a big deal. They range in a lot of different areas, and one of the things that we're noticing is that the interface between food and people every day is getting more conversation. Yes. So we have a big team in Washington, D.C. We interact with that team in Washington, D.C. We do lots of surveillance with activities that are coming from the Hill, and we give input on a regular basis to help them understand why it's so important that we pay attention to the needs of the rancher, the needs of the farmer, and the interface of organizations like ourselves and others, and what we do every day to help them and us out. And we see that as a necessary initiative for quite a long time, Kevin.
Dr. Sibbel, thank you so much for all you're doing to ensure that our industry is sustainable for many years to come.
You're welcome.
For more information on Merck Animal Health, their products, or their leadership initiatives, just log on to their website at merckanimalhealthusa.com.